Alright, in this video we're going to look at dealing with compile errors. I'm going to go into my working directory, copy one of the in-class files. Do I already have one there? Password. Okay, let's look at password. Okay, a common error that you'll have is a missing semicolon. You do g++ password.cpp-o pass. You get an error in function into main. You look for the first error, and this first thing is the line number where it got confused. So I go and look at that line number, Emacs. That was line 6. So 6 is where it got confused. That's not where the error is, that's where it got confused. So you would want to look on that line or right above. And that's my semicolon. Let's say that you spell something wrong, capital C instead of a lowercase c. Error message says correct was not declared. That's line 8. Go and look at line 8. And there, that's an easy one to fix. Let's say you forget this left curly brace. After a while, or an if, you can have the curly braces to say that this is all supposed to be part of the thing you repeat. But if I forget the left curly brace, that's a problem, because I have a right curly brace here, but no left curly brace that matches it. And that says line 22, something about return. Line 23, something about a curly brace. You get down and look at line 22 and 23. That's not where my error is. So you look here and everything looks fine, but it's talking about the right curly brace. So you think that you might have a missing curly brace somewhere. And if you think you do, if you're in Emacs, you can go through and tab, and you see that it tabbed the cn over as the same as the while. So that tells you there's something messed up with the while, and you would think to look for the curly brace there. Tap it back over and it's okay. So let's see, let me take some notes on common errors. Put this under C programming. Common errors. Alright, the ones we already looked at is forgetting semicolon, forgetting either a left curly brace or a right curly brace. Uncapitalized or miss. So that would be miscapitalized or misspelled. Or miscapitalized. Here an error you would get, error might be later on mentioning these curly braces. The error you would get here let's say this, we misspell int there with a capital. Error you get is, it depends. There's that one. If I have this one here, let's do a capital U. was not declared. You get an error like was not declared, and there's other errors that you could get to. That's one. Comes up a lot. After your while and after your if, the condition here is supposed to have parentheses around it. If you don't, it'll say you expect parentheses. So you forget parentheses around if or while. Something that comes up. If you don't declare a variable, let's say we just start using a variable, you get an X was not declared. Forget to declare a variable, you have to declare it before you use it. You get an error, was not declared. If you forget the pound include, I'll just put it in comments. Then you would get when you try to use something that something was not declared. And that happens also if you forget the using namespace std. You can see that as well. If you forget that, put it in comments. So this where is it? Here it is. Cout was not declared in this scope. You get some ugly messages here. Okay, and if you tried to do random number, like in our higher lower game, the code we had was like this. If you forget to pound include, you need an extra pound include up here that's stdlib.h. If you forget that, then you're going to get a similar errors like if you forget to pound include iostring. srand was not declared, rand was not declared. And so the thing you're trying to use, if you don't pound include the right thing, it won't work. Let's see, if you switch around the cin and the cout, you'll get some, where's the first message here? You want to look for the first message. So it's line 17, error no match for operator less than in cin. So you do see the cin there. So if you switch around the less than and greater than with cout, the cin, you get some long ugly message. But at the beginning it talks about something operator or operator std cin or std cout. Okay, I need to make sure to get those going the correct way. If you forget quotes around something, what's going to happen? This stuff is going to be, it's trying to look up variables, so we'll call it undeclared. What was not declared? So if you forget quotes around a string, you get the is not declared. Put those quotes back in. what if you have quotes around this, trying to read into a string instead of into a variable? You get some long, ugly message at the beginning talks about, can I convert user input? So if you try to do cin user input, then you get some error as well. Just say error. Okay, so that is all syntax errors. Another kind of error that I'll talk about, and let's make a new video for that.